1, 2, 3. What's up, everybody? Hey, it's me, Charlene. Well, my name is called To Meet the Nun, aka Follow Me. See my puppy over there? See, that's Bella. She's new. She's a newborn puppy. Guess what, guys? She came out like 2 months ago. Don't you like her? Bella. Well, since she's not playing, I'm going to show you a few things I do in my room. First, here's my closet. Don't really clean that. Next is my closet. Looks pretty good, don't it? Okay, that looks nasty. My blinds. That's all my blinds. That's all my blinds. Like my blinds. My messy bed, my messy room.